When to replace your Lexus's brake pads. Your brake pads are one of these parts that are essential to your safety and the durability of your car. We will go over the specifics of brake pad replacement for your vehicle in this guide. The basics of brake pads. Brake pads are a crucial part of your braking system, and they work with the brake rotors to stop your Lexus. The brake pads clamp down on the rotors when you apply pressure to the brake pedal. The popular types of brake pad materials are ceramic, semi-metallic, and organic. The signs of worn brake pad. When you apply the brakes and hear a high-pitched squeaking or squealing, you should take notice. The noise is often produced by small metal wear indicators on your brake pads that rub against the rotors. A squeaky sound may turn into a grinding sound if it is ignored for an extended period of time. The metal backing of the brake pad making direct contact with the rotor is what is causing this grinding noise. While applying the brake, if you feel a pulsating sensation in your steering wheel or brake pedal, it indicates warped rotors or uneven wear on your brake pads. In addition to impairing the braking performance, if this issue is ignored, it may result in more serious problems. When to replace brake pads. Regularly inspect your owner's manual for the manufacturer recommended service intervals, as the requirements of Lexus may differ. Your brake pads will deteriorate more quickly if you tow large loads or drive a lot of stop and go in the city. Ceramic pads generally last longer and produce less dust than semi-metallic pads. To stay on top of brake pad wear, make it a habit to visually inspect them regularly. Euro Plus Automotive, brake pad replacement. Euro Plus Automotive has earned a reputation for excellence in servicing luxury cars, including Lexus. From selecting the ideal brake pad material to expertly installing them, Euro Plus Automotive is your go-to destination.